Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, now next question. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter. So what is the radius of this circle? Radius is 100 centimeter. So what is this 100 centimeter? So r is equal to 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. So what is this 22 centimeter? Length of arc. It is 22 centimeter means L is equal to 22 centimeter. And use pi is equal to 22 by 7. What to find here? Find the degree measure. See here, find the degree measure. Measure of the angle subtended at the center. So that means theta is equal to question mark. First we will write what is given. Important for 2 marks. What is given? Given is radius of circle is equal to 100 centimeter. Radius of circle r is equal to radius of circle r is equal to 100 centimeter. Next, length of arc is equal to length of arc is equal to, when arc is equal to, that is L is equal to how much here? 22 centimeter. L is equal to 20 centimeter. So find the degree measure of angle. So therefore the angle theta is equal to angle in degree. Angle in degree, theta is equal to question mark. First we will see the relation among these 3 letters, that is L R theta. So what is the R theta or that formula? Use L is equal to R theta formula. Use L is equal to R theta. See here L is length of arc, R is radius of circle. Theta is what? Theta is angle in radian. Correct, no? So angle in radian. So here theta answer will get in terms of unit is radian. So that radian should be converted to degree measure because here it is asked find the degree measure. Clear? So now substitution. So we need, what it is need? It is theta is equal to, so how it is theta is equal to, I need theta is question mark. So separate theta from this one. So theta is equal to what? L divided by R. So that means theta is equal to, I will rewrite this, L is L divided by R. Theta is equal to L divided by R. So theta is equal to, now substitution. See the unit. 100 centimeter, radius in centimeter, length of arc also in centimeter. So both are in centimeter, that is in same unit. So if it is in meter and this is in centimeter, you should change to the same unit. Okay, remember that one. But here it is centimeter, no need of conversion. So now L is equal to, L is how much here? 22 divided by R is how much here? 100. So theta is equal to what? 22 divided by 100. If you want, you can further simplify that. How much here? It is 11 divided by 50 radian. Correct, no? Theta, why I gave unit as radian? Because in our definition, theta is angle in radian. So unit of theta is equal to 11 by 50 radian. 2 11s are 250, correct no? So 11 by 50 radian. But your question is find the degree measure. So therefore theta is equal to here 11 by 50 radian. So therefore now degree measure is equal to what is your formula? Formula is 180 divided by pi into radian measure. So 180 divided by pi into radian measure. So that is equal to 180 divided by pi should be written as 22 by 7 into 11 by 50, right? Now you know how to convert degree to radian and radian to degree, right? So now that is equal to 180 into 11 divided by 22 by 7 to the numerator. So into 7 divided by 22 into 50 divided by 22 into 50. Now this is simplification. So now 11 how much here? 11 ones are 11 2s are, correct no? This is 0 and this is 0 cancels. Next 2 ones are 2 9s are 18. So 9 into 7 is 63 divided by 5 is what? Degree. So now angle is converted into theta is equal to what? This degree, that is 63 divided by 5 degree. But already I told in the degree there should not be fraction. So this fraction should be changed as integer part and decimal part. Now how to change as integer and decimal part? Now you should divide this. So now theta is equal to 63 divided by 5 degree. Otherwise I'll write in sentence. Okay. Now you should separate this integer part and decimal part. How to separate? You should divide this. So 63 divided by 5. Correct? No. S5 how much here? 5 12s are 60. So what is the remainder? It is equal to 3. So yes. Now how we can write this one? This is equal to 12 degree plus 3 divided by 5 degree. Correct no? 5 degree. That means 12 point something. So this is your decimal part. Now this 3 by 5 degree should be changed into minute. How to change that to minute? We know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Now 3 divided by 5 degree is equal to how many minutes? This fraction in degree means there is some minute. So that minute you should separate it. Okay. Yes, now that is equal to 3 divided by 5 degree into 60 minutes divided by 1 degree. 60 minutes divided by 1 degree. So now degree and this degree cancels. 3 how much here? 3 6. 3 into 6 is 180 divided by 5. What is the unit left? It is minute. So now is this properly dividing? Yes. So what is your answer? 180 divided by 5, it is equal to 36 minutes. Is it necessary to continue next 2 seconds? So it is not necessary. So here theta is equal to 12 degree plus how much here? 36 minutes. So 3 by 5 degree means it is 36 minutes. So in minute we did not get the fraction. So means no need of again dividing and conversion. So theta is equal to how much here? 12 degree 36 minutes. So therefore the degree measure, the angle subtended at the center, angle subtended at the center in degree measure, is theta is equal to how much here? 12 degree 36 minutes. This is your conclusion. So suppose question is find the angle subtended at the center. Find the angle subtended at the center means theta is 11 by 50. It is not asked whether it is in radian or whether it is in degree. So directly it is find angle theta means direct radian is enough. That is 1 by 50 radian is enough. Here it is mentioned. So degree measure means you should convert that radian answer to your degree answer. The next question, important question for 2 marks. So maybe this question important or this question. There are 3 sub questions. So one question is important for 2 marks. Find the angle in radian. So what to find here? Find angle means theta is equal to. In which unit? In radian. So in substitution of formula L is equal to r theta. Theta is what? In radian. So whatever answer after substitution, theta is unit, that is radian unit. No need of converting that to degree measure because it is asked in radian measure because that formula itself in radian. So find the angle in radian, that means theta is equal to question mark through which a pendulum you know, right? Pendulum swings if its length is 25 centimeter. So what is the length of pendulum? Pendulum length is 75 centimeter and the tip describes an arc of length. So the pendulum tip describes an arc of length, how much here? 10 centimeter. First question, with this 10 centimeter find the angle theta. Next, the tip describes an arc of length. Second question, 15 centimeter. With this find the angle theta. Second sub question. Next, the tip describes an arc of length. Third question, 21 centimeter. With this find theta in radian. That is third sub question. Understood? No? Yes. Now first we will see what is pendulum. Pendulum you know. So this is your fixed point and this is your pendulum. Correct? No? This is pendulum. This is fixed point and pendulum. So like this pendulum. Right? So when it swings means it swings like this, right? This pendulum you know that you have seen in physics lab. In physics lab it comes that pendulum. So pendulum means like this it swings, correct? No? Like this it swings. Now, so this is your pendulum, this is your fixed point and the tip of this pendulum that describes an arc of length. So that means it swings like this. Suppose assume that it swings like this much area it swings. Correct? No? This much area it swings. So now what is this? It is the part of circle. Correct? No? It is the part of circle. That means this is arc of circle. This is your fixed point. If it is swings means it is like half circle. It is like half circle means it is length of arc or this is arc of a circle. This is arc of a circle. So AB is what? Arc of circle. AB is arc of a circle and this is your fixed point. So from fixed point to the point on a circle is always called as what? Radius. This is radius. So while mark this OC, so OC is what? Radius. OC is radius. AB is what? The length of arc. And theta, how it is theta? So here, initially it is here, correct? No? When it swings means it comes here and next it comes here. So this is your total angle. So angle described in one swing. This is the angle described in one swing, that is equal to theta. Correct? No? That is theta. Understood? No? So from the fixed point to the point here is radius and how much tip describes is the length of arc. Is length of arc. So now you got idea of pendulum. Now we'll see what is given and what is to find. So answer, what is to find? Find the angle in radian. So now to find the angle in radian, the angle in radian theta is equal to question mark. In formula theta itself in radian, no need of conversion. Next, which pendulum swings of its length? That means the length of pendulum is how much here? 75 centimeter. What is the length of pendulum? Length of pendulum is the radius of circle. So now next, length of pendulum. Length of pendulum is radius of circle is radius, that is r is equal to how much here? 75 centimeter. See the unit, 75 centimeter. And the tip describes an arc of length. The tip of this pendulum describes an arc of length. How much it is? First one is 10 centimeter. So what is this 10 centimeter? Length of arc of a circle. Length of arc of a circle. Length of arc of a circle. L is equal to how much here? 10 centimeter. So to find this theta, given r and L, so what is the relation? So using, or we know that L is equal to r theta. L is equal to r theta. Question mark is theta is equal to. This you know arrangement, theta is equal to what? L divided by r. L is 10 divided by radius is what? 75. So what is your answer? 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5 5s are 50. So 2 divided by 15, or you can write it in decimal. So that is equal to in radian. So keep in fraction itself, no need of writing in decimal. So keep it in fraction, that is 2 divided by 15. Correct no? Yes, 2 divided by 15 radian. Question is find angle in radian. So your unit is radian. Again no need of converting to the degree. Yes. Now second question. So for second question, the length of pendulum is same. So angle theta is question mark. When the tip describes of length, its length is varies. How much length varies? Theta. L is equal to how much here? 15 centimeter. So given length of, I don't write in sentence, r is equal to means, r is equal, you should write this one. The length of pendulum is the radius, r is equal to, that you should write, okay, 75 centimeter. Next, the length of arc of a circle or tip of a pendulum describes an arc of length of a circle. L is equal to how much here? 15 centimeter. See the unit, centimeter and centimeter, and theta is question mark. Find the angle theta, that is question mark. Now next, using, or you know that, we know that L is equal to r theta. L is equal to r theta using. So theta is equal to what? L divided by r. Theta is L divided by r. L is 15 divided by r is 75. How much here? 5 3s are 15, 5 15s are 75 radian. 75 radian. Important, very important question. Either may be this one, 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter or 21 centimeter for 2 marks. They don't ask all these three. They ask only the tip describes when 15 centimeter. Find the angle at the center. Next, take this as homework. This as a homework part, that is 21 centimeter. Clear? Yes. If in 2 circles, so how many circles here? 2 circles. Arcs of the same length. So length of arc of those 2 circles are equal. Those 2 circles are equal. Subtend angles 60 degree and 75 degree at the center. Find the ratio of their radii. Find the ratio of their radii. Important for 2 marks. So now how to simplify this one? There are two circles. I draw a rough figure. This drawing figure and all not important. Just for your understanding I am drawing this. So two circles. There are two circles and arc you know, right? So this is R. This is R, A and B, and this is theta 1 and this is your R1, and length of arc is L or L1, that is for first circle. This is for C1. And second circle is radius R2 and this theta is theta 2 and this is CD, that is equal to L2. And what is given here? In two circles arc of the same length, that means L1 is equal to L2, that is given. So first we will write, so given, so angles theta 1 is equal to 60 degree, otherwise given radius R1 is okay. Given two circles arcs of same length, so given the arcs of two circles are equal. Two circles of same length arc. Two circles of same arc or two circles of same the length of arc of two circles are equal, that is L1 is equal to L2, that is given. Now next theta 1 is equal to how much here? 60 degree. So first circle theta 1 is 60 degree. Next theta 2 is equal to what? 75 degree. The radius of second circle is 75 degree. Now next find the ratio of radii, correct no? So find the ratio of radii means to find what is to find? R1 divided by R2, or that is equal to ratio R1 is to R2. R1 is to R2 or R2 is to R1, that is to find. So ratio of radius, that is R1 is to R2 or R2 is to R1, that you have to find. Clear this? Yes. Now so which formula to use? L theta R. So relation is L is equal to R theta. But theta is in degree. So in formula L is equal to R theta. Theta is in what? Theta is in radian, right? So now here theta should be converted to radian. How to convert theta? 1 is equal to 60 into pi divided by 180. So for this multiply by pi divided by 180, right? So 0 and 0, that is radian measure is equal to pi divided by 180 into degree measure. So pi divided by 180, degree measure is 60. So this and this cancel, 6 ones are 6 3s are. So theta 1 is equal to what? Pi divided by 3 radian. Pi divided by 3 radian. Now similarly this theta 2 is also in degree. That should be converted to what? Radian. So how to convert? Theta 2 is equal to 75 degree into pi divided by 180 degree. 75 degree into pi divided by 180. Now how to simplify? 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 36. Again by 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 12s are 36. So your radian is 5 pi by 12 radian. So 75 degree means how much here? 5 pi by 12 radian, right? So now substitution. So using formula or given L1 is equal to L2. What is L1? Length of arc of a circle is, first circle is R1 theta 1 is equal to length of arc of a second circle is r2 theta 2. r2 theta 2. Now what I need? I need the ratio of radii. So that means I need r1 divided by r2. So bring this r2 to this side. So then it is what? r1 divided by r2 is equal to, take this theta 1 to this side. Then it is what? Theta 2 divided by theta 1. So therefore r1 divided by r2 is equal to theta 2. See, be careful while substituting. It is theta 2. What is here theta 2 in radian? 5 pi by 12. So it is 5 pi by 12 divided by theta 1 in radian, not in degree. Theta 1 radian is pi by 3. It is pi divided by 3. So therefore r1 divided by r2 is equal to 5 pi by 12 into this 3 pi by 3 changes as 3 divided by pi. The simplification part you can do as you wish. Okay. So next pi and pi get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So what is left here? 5 divided by 4. So therefore ratio r1 is to r2, that is equal to what? 5 is to 4. That is equal to 5 is to 4. Next therefore conclusion, therefore the ratio of radii, the ratio of, therefore the ratio of radii is what? r1 is to r2 is equal to 5 is to 4. This is very important question for 2 marks. Important question. See, while doing the substitution part is important. Substitution part important. This part not necessary. Direct you can write answer 5 is to 4. But substitution in any problems, the substitution part is very important. Simplification part you can skip. Okay. But here is only one step now. So better do that. So if it is 2 or 3 steps or lengthy steps, delete. In 2 circles, that means arc of same length means L1 is equal to L2. Subtend angles 65 degree and 110 degree. So theta 1 is 65 degree. Convert that to radian by multiplying pi divided by 180. And 110 degree also in degree. So convert this to radian by multiplying pi divided by 180. At the center, find the ratio of their radii. Find the ratio of their radii means what to find out? r1 divided by r2, or that can be written as r1 is to r2. So take this as homework. Now next very important question for 2 marks. Very important. In a circle of diameter. So what is given? Circle of diameter is 40 centimeter. The length of a chord, this is not r. The length of a chord is 20 centimeter. You know what is the definition of chord of a circle, right? You know what is the definition of chord of a circle. The chord of a circle is given 20 centimeter. Now what is to find? Find the length of minor arc of the chord. Minor arc of the chord. So first we will see, first I draw what is chord. So this is a circle with the center O. Chord means you know the line which passes through 2 points of a circle without from center. Correct no? Without passing through the center. So this is chord. AB is chord of a circle. AB is chord of a circle. Now question is find the length of. Find the length of what? Minor arc. Minor arc and major arc that you studied in your lower class. Which one is minor arc and which one is major arc? See, this is chord AXY. So this AXY is what? Minor arc. Correct no? This is minor arc. And segment, minor segment. Which is a minor segment? This part is minor segment. Now which is your major arc? Major arc is AYD is major arc. This is major arc, right? Major arc. So now we don't want that major arc. I need the length of minor arc. Length of minor arc means the length AB question mark. So how to find that one? I'll draw this one again. Answer the diameter of circle. The given is the diameter of circle. Diameter of circle is how much here? 40 centimeter. If diameter is given, can you find out radius? Because I need length of arc. To find length of arc, I need radius. So therefore radius of circle R is equal to what? D divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2. 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20 centimeter. So radius of circle is 20 centimeter. Now to find length of arc of a circle, correct no? Yes. So now if I draw figure this one, yes, I'll draw. You know what is minor arc and what is chord, right? So now I'll draw figure here. Yes, I'll draw figure. This is a circle, right? This is circle. And this is center of circle. This is diameter of circle. So diameter of circle is how much here? 40. I don't want that. I need what? Radius of circle, correct no? So radius of circle, it is OA. Radius of circle. So now next I draw chord here. The length of chord is given. The length of chord is 20 centimeter. So I draw chord like this. Is this AB is chord of a circle? Yes, because it intersect 2 points on circle, but it does not pass us through the center, correct? So AB is chord of a circle. So what is the length of this circle? What is the length of this chord? That is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Now in this, which is your major axis? Major arc and minor arc. Minor arc is this one. That is this one. It is AXB is minor arc. Which is your major arc? Major arc is this one. That is BYA. That I don't want. So that's why I'm not marking here. Clear this? So this is diameter of circle. Now next I draw chord here. That is like this. This is the chord. The line segment which intersect 2 points on circle and does not pass us through the center. So is it passing through the center? No. So that is called chord. In circle, in different form we can draw chord. This is center. Is this called S? Is this called S? Is this called S? Correct no? Is this called? No, it is not chord. It is diameter of circle. Clear? So now I draw chord here, that is BA is chord. If this is the chord, next which is a minor segment? This part is minor arc, that is AXB is minor arc. Your question is find the length of minor arc of the chord. That means length of this AXB. Clear? Yes, now what is your OA? OA is radius. Radius is equal to how much here? 20 centimeter. Is it right? Yes, now next, this is theta. 0. Now, radius is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc. So your formula is what? L is equal to R theta. Length of arc, L is equal to R theta. To find L is equal to, you should know what is your radius and what is your theta, right? So radius is given, that is equal to 20 centimeter by this diameter. But is it theta is given? Theta is not given. So theta not given, but that you have to find. How to find here? See, I will complete this figure by joining this OB. So what is your OB? OB is also radius. From the center to any point on a circle, that is radius. What is length of radius? It is 20 centimeter. Length of radius is 20 centimeter. So now if you see this figure, you can observe a triangle. What is that triangle? Triangle OAB, right? What type of triangle it is? Equilateral triangle. Why it is equilateral triangle? All sides are equal. Is it right? All sides are equal. Suppose if triangle is equilateral triangle, then each angle of that triangle is how much? 60 degrees. So what is this angle? Angle theta is equal to 60 degree. So we got theta is equal to 60 degree. Clear this? Now you got everything. Radius is 20 centimeter. Theta is 60 degree. That convert to radian and substitute in formula and find the length of minor arc. This is minor arc. Clear this? Yes. Now what to write? The diameter of circle is 40 centimeter. Radius of circle is 20 centimeter. Now next is the length of chord is the length of chord. I'll mark here from the figure. AB is equal to 20 centimeter. Now next length of chord is 20 centimeter. Now next the length of minor arc, which is your length of minor arc? It is AXB is equal to L is question mark. L is question mark. So now from figure, so triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Therefore theta is equal to 60 degree, because each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So now theta is 60 degree, right? So convert that to radian. So theta is equal to 60 into, how to convert to radian? Multiply by pi divided by 180. So 0 cancel, 6 ones are 6 3s. So it is pi divided by 3 radian. It is pi divided by radian. So now can you find out what is length of minor arc? Yes, you can find out. So now therefore the length of minor arc is equal to L is equal to r theta. So L is equal to r is how much here? 20 into theta is how much here? Pi by 3. So it is 20 pi by 3. Substitute pi as 3.14 or 22 by 7 and get your answer, that is equal to dash centimeter. So do this simplification. 20 into pi, you can substitute here 3.14 or 22 by 7 by 3. Use calculator to simplify this and get your answer. That is homework. That is equal to centimeter is the length of minor arc. Is it clear? So diameter is given, radius is 20 centimeter. This is chord of length 20 centimeter. So this is chord means this is your minor arc and join this one. This is radius. So all sides of triangle are equal means that triangle is equilateral. Equilateral triangle means theta is equal to 60 degree. That 60 degree first convert to radian to substitute in formula. L is equal to r theta. Substitute and simplify by substituting pi as 3.14 or 22 by 7 and get your answer. This is very important for 2 marks.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.